So good evening. Atong objectives karon is to interface a 16 by 2 LCD with an Arduino Uno using the 12C communication protocol to display text and variables on the LCD screen and to understand the working principles of the 12C LCD module. Then ang atong materials is Arduino Uno board, 16 by 2 12C LCD module, jumper wires, breadboard ug USB cable. Then sugdan dayon na to connect the 12C LCD module to the Arduino Uno in this diagram. Then first, using the jumper wires, connect the LCD VCC to Arduino 5 volts, LCD ground to Arduino ground, LCD SDA to Arduino A4 or SDA pin depending on your Arduino board. Then last is LCD ACL to Arduino A5 or ACL pin depending on your Arduino board. After connecting the jumper wires, then install the Liquid Crystal 12C, and after that, open the Arduino IDE and go to Sketch, then include library and manage libraries and search for the Liquid Crystals 12C that you install. Then copy and paste nga gihatag na code ni sir into the Arduino IDE. Then after that, connect the Arduino board to your computer using the USB cable, then select the correct board and port into the Arduino IDE and click the upload button to send the code to the Arduino. And this is the result. Then mag-experiment with different text and variables to display on the LCD. So, let's go guys. Laban lang, alaksan. Then, mauna tayo na yung resulta. Hi love. Hi love. Mga to guys. Bye.